Okay, so we're gonna try Olive and June nails for the first time in this video, and I'm pretty excited. Can we get a moment for the nail? Stun it. Like, informal videos are just becoming my thing, but it's convenient because listen, I want to try these Olive and June press-ons. I already sized my fingers. That's why there's this sticky note here. Let me take this off because these are so freaking cute. These are in the style Plaza Velvet. Here's the thing is I've only ever tried Glamnetic press-on nails, so I figured why not do a little video on my first time trying these and let you guys know my thoughts because I love Glamnetic press-on nails. In my opinion, they are superior. They're amazing, but I have high hopes for these, so let's see what happens. I've been holding this package for a while. I've been staring at it for days, and I've been like seeing this little slot here, but like not really registering it. And then I was holding these today, and I was like, oh my god, it is so genius. They literally put a little slot there, so you can put your finger in there and see what the press-on would look like on your nail. This is genius. I love this packaging idea. I think every press-on nail and like nail polish company should have something like this because we all want to know what it would look like, and this is a really great way to do that. So I think that's really cool. I also like that this is an extra short length. I think that's super convenient. I can't really adjust to longer nails no matter how hard I try, so I really love these shorter nail styles. I already opened this up, but I thought it was so funny because this bag, the only thing that's different is like this bag feels so big to me. It's the bag that I'm used to, and this is what I have. So you can see this was hilarious to me. It's come with everything you need. So you have your nail glue, a little nail file. I'm gonna assume that this is just a little thing talking about the nails. Gives you a little guide if you need help, or you can also just place your nails on here to keep track of which hand or which nail is going on what finger. I love that they give you for long-term wear and for short-term wear like different tips on how to apply the glue. I think that this is, why does my voice always go up at the end? I think that this is great for beginners, where this is like the most important part of the whole kit, because if you don't use a prep pad or if you don't prep properly, your nails are not going to stay. Normally you're going to file your nails, push back your cuticles, and then use the alcohol pad, but I remove them with a trimmer and then I already filed them. So I'm just gonna move right onto the alcohol pad, and I'm gonna make sure I generously wipe each nail with this so that they get the best stay. So what's nice about this is it's a larger little square, so you're gonna have room for every nail. And also I will use this if there's any glue spills. I'll quickly grab this wipe and use it to wipe around my nail once I'm done holding it down. If there's like glue that goes around the edge, that happens, don't panic. It's really not that serious. I'm just making sure that I'm getting every finger nice and clean. Wait, let's take a moment of appreciation for this nail. Wait for, oh, are you kidding me? Bro. Come on. So anyways, back to the sizing. You want to make sure that as you're placing the press-on onto your nail that it fits into the grooves of your nail bed there, and that it also connects with the cuticle nicely. This slightly overlaps onto my finger, so this one is a little too big. Whereas if I go with the size down, this is one size down from that, and it fits on my nail bed perfectly. So that's a good way to size it. So now I'm gonna start with my ring finger. I have all my nails lined up right over here, and the one that I'm using is gonna be right in front of me just so I don't get them confused. I'm just going to apply some glue on my finger as well as the press on, and then attach them to each other and hold it down for about 15 seconds. Apply glue to my nail there. I just put a little dot on and then rub it around with the applicator tip. Do the same thing with the nail. This happens. If you drop the nail, don't panic. And sometimes when I do press-ons, it's like literally a hot mess. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I like to kind of slide it back, press it in towards the cuticle, and then press it down. And what that does is it slides it back farthest to the cuticle for the most natural finish. I'm going to hold this down. I'm probably gonna speed this up, and there's the nail. I keep this close by because sometimes there gets a little bit of glue residue around the edges. You just wipe it away to make sure it doesn't set, and you're good to go. Press-ons are super easy. It's literally just a fact of repeating the process now. So I'm just going to apply glue to each nail, apply it to the press-on, and hold it down. So I'll probably fast forward through this, like zoom it, or I might just skip to the end, because this is pretty self-explanatory and we'll see what they look like. I'll probably just zoom through it for you. But I will say the most satisfying part obviously is at the end when each nail is done, but there's something so satisfying about being like, oh my god, one more, like that's so pretty. Little bit of glue, put it all around. I like to hold mine for closer to 15 seconds. Sometimes I'm pretty sure I blank out and do like 30 to a minute. Some days just feel like I need a little extra hold. It's all in my mind really, it just depends on my mood. But 10 to 15 seconds, you should be good to go. I think the nails deserve a moment. I mean, come on, look at that sparkle, look at that reflex. See, I feel like you can see it better with the flash. Don't these look so beautiful? Like, shut the fuck up, bitch. These are sick. Here's the deal. I'm gonna wear these for a few days, and then I will leave a little comparison on the screen of these to the Glamnetic nails. I will let you know my opinions, but so far I'm obsessed. They do right off the bat, they feel a little bit thinner. than the Glamnetic nails, but they still feel pretty durable. So I'm curious to see how long they last and if they are reusable, similar to the Glamnetic ones, if they're still good kind of after their first wear. But I really like them so far, and we'll see which one I like. So I've had these nails on for about 4 days now. I'm gonna give you my opinion because I'm probably not gonna have these on for 2 weeks, but also I just want to say a few hours after I did the application later that night, I did have 2 nails pop off. That could have been because of my poor glue application, so I'm gonna let that slide. But then the next day I did have 2 more pop off. So what I did is I reapplied those nails with Glamnetic glue, and I haven't had any issues since. I have heard other people say that Glamnetic nail glue is very strong and it's like the best nail glue out there. I wouldn't know because up until now, Olive and June glue is the only other glue that I've tried. So I will say with that considered, the Glamnetic glue is better. Glamnetic has 87 styles, Olive and June has 77, both a very large amount. They all offer different styles, shapes, lengths, so you can find whatever you want. Both offer nail glue as well as stickers, so that's a nice option to know. I will say the Glamnetic glue seems to be a little bit stronger. Their nails themselves seem to be a little bit thicker and more durable. However, the Olive and June alcohol pad is larger, and they do include more sizes. Glamnetic offers 30 nails in 15 different sizes, and Olive and June offers 42 nails in 21 different sizes. For me, I'm perfectly fine with the 15 different sizes. I think the 21 is a lot, which is great because it caters to all different kinds of people, but like the largest nail is like very, very large. But I guess you could probably use them for press-ons on your toes maybe if that's something you're into, so that's something to keep in mind. Overall, I think both nails are great. They're pretty much the same pricing. Glamnetic's a little bit more, but by 50 cents when you use my code, so it's up to you. This style I would definitely recommend. It is so cute. Like I said, it's Plaza Velvet. 10 out of 10. I love these nails. Keep an eye out for the glue. If you notice that you're using the Olive and June nails and you're not happy with how long they're staying, switch out the glue. I enjoy both of them, so shop Olive and Glam press-ons if you're interested. And if you want to save 30% on Glamnetic purchases, you can use code BROOKEBEAUTY for 30% off. I do not have a code with Olive and June. If that ever changes, I will let you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see from me in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow me on all my socials, follow me on everything. I will have all that linked down below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.